A bill is a request for payment of money for a service or goods provided. Money Plus helps you keep track of your bills, sends reminders when they are due, and creates transactions when they are paid. In this tutorial, I will guide you on how to create a bill and make a payment for your cable service. Let's start by accessing the list of bills. Select Book, Bill and Payment. I have already prepared two bills for demonstration purposes. One is overdue, and the other is not yet due. To create a new bill, click the plus button on the bottom right corner. The bill form will be shown. Click Category. Select Utility, Cable. Select Due Date. If the bill is recurring and the amount is fixed, you may set up the bill as recurring. The recurring setting is very comprehensive to suit most needs. We will keep this demo as a one-time bill. Click Amount to enter the billing amount. Click Reminder to set up reminder to handle the payment. Click Save. The new bill is shown in the list of bills. It is also shown on the top of the dashboard. When the reminder time comes, a notification will be shown on your device. Clicking on the notification will immediately display the bill for you. After the payment is made, you should register it in Money Plus. In the list of bills, whether accessed from the main menu or the reminder, click the bill to be paid. Click Pay. The transaction form will be shown. The transaction is default with the billing amount. You may make partial payment by changing the transaction amount. Click Save. After the transaction is saved, the status of the bill be marked as paid. The list of bills always shows all outstanding bills due in the past and bills that are due in the current duration. To stay focused on the outstanding bills, you may use the menu button to quickly hide all paid bills. Click it again to show all bills. Managing your bills is now just a few clicks away. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you require additional information, you can find detailed documentation in the App Menus Help section.